Good morning, everybody. It is exactly 4 days since I defoliated the Violet de Bordeaux, my container fig tree, and this is the result. I noticed after a few days that some were ripening, and I'll put up the weather on the screen, what the weather has been the past 4 days. And it was a little bit warmer, and then it got cooler. Like today, this is the temperature today. I'll put it on the screen. And I did order these like wedding kind of favor bags, because I've seen other growers use that to protect it, because I have a squirrel that took out one ripe fig. But I noticed they're ripening. There's another one. This one is ripe. This is ready. And look at the color change. Look at that. Whereas when I had more leaves, they were very slow to color up like that. Look at that. And so this is ripe. This one, it could use another day. This, look at the coloring. So I followed a few growers online, and they haven't made a video about removing the lower leaves, but I saw that their fig trees, when they had a bunch of ripening fruits, that they were less leaves. So I thought I'd experiment. This one's ready, and this one here is ripening. This one could use another day, and it'll be just perfect. And these are changing color. Look at that. And this is only my first time to have a lot of fruit on this fig tree. It is year 4. These lower branches, I'm thinking if I should lift this any higher, if that would make a difference in ripening this branch. Please comment if you do that with your fig trees, if you raise and tie it up higher, if that makes a difference in ripening the figs. But I believe that removing some of the lower leaves on the branch helped ripen it a little bit faster, I believe, because it kind of makes sense that more energy will focus onto the fruits, and the lesser the leaves that the plant has. So this is a result. I believe it has ripened faster, and I only started to do this toward the end of when because just kind of speed up the process, because I think we only have a week or 2 of warm weather. Hey, princess. Hi, princess. Come here. Come here, girl. Yeah. So I'm excited. Princess. Princess. That's Princess Margarita, named her after my rose. But this one could go. Oh, the eye is opening a little bit right there. I'm watering it, but not too much. So I think I'm gonna bag these 2. This one feels ripe. So right now on the plant, there are 3 that I feel that are ready, ripe and ready, and the rest, I'll let the rest maybe a few more days to ripen. So I'm so excited. It's the first time I'm gonna have like 3 good-sized ripened VDBs ready to eat in one day. Normally I just have like 1. So I'm so excited. Year 4 of this plant, this container tree, and I do have a larger pot, but I was told by the grower where I purchased this plant from to wait till all the fruit is gone And then that is when I will up-pot it into a larger pot. And these as well too. These have been growing nicely. And they're gonna go in a larger pot. And I have a greenhouse coming in the next week. Go get it, princess. Your toy. Thanks for watching, everybody. And I'll give you another update in a few days. This could use a few more days. But look at all that color and beautiful. Beautiful fruits. Look how large that is in my hands, the palm of my hand. Oh, I can't wait. This is ready and ripe. This one could use a few more days. That's ready. 1, 2. Not yet. Oh, this one feels ripe. 3. That's ready. 3. Not yet. 4. Not yet. So 4 ripened figs ready today to eat. And my VDB or Villette de Bordeaux. This is about a 5-gallon container. I'm gonna up-pot that to either a 7 or a 10 gallon, 10 or 15 gallon to get better results next year. And please like and subscribe to my channel and follow for the greenhouse, our upcoming greenhouse. I'm very excited. That's coming in the next week or so. Have a good day. Thanks for watching. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.